Alright, what's up everyone? Jonathan here from Jopatek, and I just wanted to make a quick video showcasing, well, the cases I use for my LG Velvet 5G. On the right here we have a Ringke Fusion with an attached Pella finger strap, and on the left we have the Spigen case. Both of these cost under 20 Canadian dollars, and the Pella strap was about 20 bucks. It is made with recyclable material and is compostable, I do believe, but don't quote me on that. So let's start with the clear case here. For the Velvet, this case is actually really nice. It doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. It's see-through because we all want to see the back of that phone. The fit is snug, provides excellent protection against drops. As you can see here, it's got the raised edges, but it doesn't come up too high on the sides for obvious reasons. You have a curved screen, you still want to be able to swipe on the sides, and it doesn't get in the way. The buttons here, we have a textured button for the Google Assistant voice button. The volume rocker is smooth, and the power button is smooth as well. Camera cutout is nice and clean, nothing's intrusive. Obviously it's raised, so you can't really break this, but I mean, if you really want to, you will. The Pella strap is really nice. I actually really enjoy using this a lot more than the Spigen case. It is stuck on there. It's an adhesive that comes with it. And honestly, being able to put your finger in here, hold this very large phone with ease in your hand, makes viewing videos on YouTube or anywhere else pretty darn easy, even if you're lying in bed. You can put any finger in there that you want, and you can see it's not going to go anywhere. It's nice and stuck. You can prop it up and watch your videos in landscape mode, or if you need it to sit up, it can sit up and give you a nice little viewing angle. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise. You have the cutout for the 3.5 headphone jack. You have for the USB-C with a little bit of extra room in case the plug that you're using might be a little larger. And of course you have the cutout for the microphone and speakerphone. On the top you have the same, although you cannot access the SIM card tray with the case on. Other than that, the Ringke Fusion case is really nice. It's durable, hasn't given me a problem. And like I said, with this Pella finger strap on the rear, it helps a lot. This phone is big, it's a big screen, and honestly, it's a worthwhile purchase. Now, onto the Spigen. This one I like to use because yes, obviously the openings are precise and large, still can access a SIM tray, but it feels really nice in the hand. I'm not sure what the texture is they're using or material, but it's smooth, it goes in and out of pockets with ease, unlike this with the Pella strap attached to it. Camera cutouts are nice. Of course, on the Google Assistant button, you do have a textured button here. Smooth for the volume rocker and smooth for the power button. You do have the textured edge on either side to provide some extra grip. And yeah, it's actually really nice. I like this case a lot because it's inexpensive, it looks nice, and it adds that drop protection. Now obviously both cases do come with a raised edge on the top and the bottom of the phone. Nothing too much on the sides because you still have that curved glass that you want to be able to play around with and feel without getting the case in the way. So I will leave a link down below on Amazon to these cases if they are still available. I got these obviously 2 years ago when I purchased the phone, and like I said, they haven't given me a problem. So if you're curious as to what case you want to get to help protect your LG Velvet 5G, I highly recommend these two cases and of course the Pella strap because it just makes holding the phone a hell of a lot easier. Thanks for tuning in guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.